It's the Army's 250th birthday. What is a great way to celebrate? A festival, of course. Join me as the grassy expanse of the National Mall transforms into an elaborate display of all things Army. Here we will find a myriad of vehicles and equipment, many of which are hands-on to the public. We will see interactive activity stations as well as plenty of soldiers assisting participants. And let's not forget about the live music and formal ceremonies performed at the stage in the center. Basic training starts now.
Did I talk to you earlier? No, not me. Okay.
And we're always looking to up our PCC feelings. So if there's anything that we didn't share with you that you should have done, yeah, you can let us know.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Why not bring out the cheese?
Oh boy.
Someday you're going to appreciate that picture.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
That's funny.
And there are going to be a number of these in the parade tonight.
That's cool. You might forget. I was in armor. Y'all have no idea, but I can tell you.
But I was just showing you that.
No,
It's like somebody's doing the same thing that I'm doing. Light-towed howitzer.
Smaller.
What? Oh, sorry. I thought you about that on which we can do. Yeah. The main reason, like, he could really use it. Right. But not I wonder if we can cross down there and like this.
So this right here is the only metro exit that is on the National Mall itself. And obviously, as you would expect, it is closed down today. It's still open on the other side, which is a little further south and off the mall. But this is the Smithsonian stop right here. And this in the back, I was actually down here 2 days ago. I had a trip and they were in the museums on the mall. And while they were in the museums, I was walking around and watching this all get set up. And this was actually in a number of parts laying on the ground. So it had been assembled on site and only as of somewhere between 2 days ago and right now. So it's kind of cool to see it like that and now to see it all put together and on display.